Since the start of the premium trading signals group, we have had over 11 winning trades and over a 70% win rate. So if you want to join this group and learn more about trading crypto, make sure to check out the links down in the pinned comment for both the Telegram and the Discord group, where you can find more information on how to join the signals group. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on Quant and the Q&T token. Wanted to do a full update on that. There's a lot I wanted to talk about in terms of technicals. In terms of that's my screen. In terms of fundamentals, I mean, there's a lot to tell about. There's a lot to say about Quant. I made a full video on why I think you should have some Quant, but I made that a long time ago, so you'll probably not be able to find that. But apart from that, Quant is just an amazing project, all right? It's useful. The token has a real place in their ecosystem. It's doing great things for crypto in general, but there hasn't been any big news. I mean, Quant it's not actually that eager with releasing the news, which is always which is obviously understandable, knowing the nature of their work. I mean, if they're working with enterprises, of course, they're not going to tell you about those enterprises. If those enterprises would like to remain private or would like to retain their privacy, I mean, otherwise they'll bring out the news themselves, right? Quant is more of Quant is the platform, Quant is the technology, and Quant is the consultancy. But apart from that, no big news, but it's a great project. So if we take a look at the last 24 hours, we've been pretty bearish. I mean, as you can see, over the last couple of days, we actually managed to hold $130 as a support. And we gave that up today. So we took a break retest, and we're in a pretty troubled situation right now, because as you can see, we did this once before the 13th. Then we actually managed to at least stay on top of 129. Now we managed to stay on top of 128, which is, I would say it's still okay, but it's not ideal. So we're in some trouble. We're going to need some bullish moves to at least stay within this consolidation range between 134 and 128. That's what I wanted to talk about. Volume has gone up quite a bit. Right now, Bitcoin is also fairly bullish, so we're getting some bullish momentum from that as well, and just some volume and some momentum just in general from that as well. So, all right, if we take a look at Quant now, you can fairly clearly see that on the short term, we've started a bearish trend, right? A downtrend. And we've respected that quite a lot, with Sunday, yesterday, being our last bearish confirmation off of $133. So the big question is will this bearish momentum and will this downtrend continue? And will it cause a bearish breakout through 128, after which we will fall down to 125 at first, but I think we'll drop down all the way to this 122, 120 level, which I think is a great buy area, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. That's the main question. And I would say, I mean, Quant, as I said, it's an amazing project, but right now it depends a lot on Bitcoin. It's quite correlated with Bitcoin, and on its own, it doesn't seem to be that strong, unfortunately. So right now, purely technically, I'd say the most likely scenario, unfortunately, is that we will have a bearish breakout at some point in this week under 128. And after that, and this is actually something I had quite a lot of trouble with while I was analyzing Quant, you have this level around 125, which is, it's respected as a level, as you can see. But apart from that, it's also a psychological support level, and it houses that purple line, which is a major fib level, the 618 of this entire bullish move. So it's a very strong support level. So it's like if you break down below 128, there's not a lot to be worried about because we have that support. So at first, I'm just going to update you on that, because I think we'll drop down there, but that might still take some time. And then from here, I mean, if Bitcoin is fairly strong, from here we could actually, or from here we'll find support. And then it's all about, will we break above 128, after which we will probably be able to reverse all the way up to 134. Or is the level not that strong and will we just take a break retest off of 128, after which we'll drop down to that level between 122 and 120. So yeah, pretty crucial moment for Quant. I'll keep you updated on that. For now, it remains quite unclear. As I said, if we're just purely following the trend and following the momentum, I'd say we're dropping down to at least 125. But at that 125 level, we already have a chance, a realistic chance, to get some bullish momentum again. So yeah, but that's my take on Quant for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.